Well, we've got some wavy weather going on here. We've got some cooler temperatures coming.
You betcha. First step downward is happening today, and then we're going to take a couple more steps down over the next couple days.
You'll need those knits.
Maybe a frost on the pumpkin. Who knows? Maybe in some places by the end of the week. Let's check some of the neighborhood temps at noontime today. And yes, it is cooler out there compared to yesterday at this time. We're looking at some low 60s up there toward Pendleton, up on the island. 61 even in the harbor front at the Coast Guard station. A little bit balmier here. Lancaster 67, Cheektowaga 66, West Seneca 65, Hamburg at the high school 67, and a 64 off to the east here at Elma, and Colden again chillier at 61. Let's take a look at the bird's eye view from the Colden transmitter of Channel 4, and you can see a little bit of cloudiness developing in the sky down that direction. Just some fair weather cumulus clouds, that's what we call them, and this isn't going to be enough to block out the sunshine entirely this afternoon. Decent amount of sunshine still on tap. However, clouds will have a tendency to gather, especially later this afternoon. In the satellite picture, you can see some of that cloudiness starting to form out to the west. Even a little bit of moisture working toward the east now around Lake Michigan, and that may be picked up by a cold front dropping southward into the region. So there is a possibility that we might start to see some rain showers developing overnight, even a little bit prior to midnight. Earlier this morning, I wake up, I said maybe around midnight or thereafter, but we may start to catch a few even before that. As we turn to super microcast, as we work through this Wednesday afternoon, looking good out there. A little bit of cloudiness developing late in the afternoon. Actually, this tries to spit out a rain shower toward dinner time. I wouldn't totally rule this out, but I think for the most part, the rain shower should hold off until nightfall. Then as we get into the nighttime period, we're dealing with scattered rain showers. This is a second cold front heading our way out of a series of two. The first one moved through the area yesterday afternoon, triggering those scattered showers and thunderstorms around dinner time. This is the second one on the way, producing some rain showers across the area during the overnight. And we'll still be left with some of this tomorrow morning. However, it should have a tendency to wind down from northwest to southeast during the morning, and I think we'll see some improvement, at least across northern areas, from the metro northward, from about Buffalo, Cheektowaga, Tonawanda, and Amherst, northward up to the Lake Ontario shoreline. I think the clouds may start to thin out a little bit tomorrow afternoon, and that sets the stage for a pretty nice finish to the week around here on Friday with mostly sunny skies. There'll be some clouds in the mix too, but otherwise a pretty decent finish to the week. As we turn to the high temps across the area this afternoon, 68 at Niagara Falls, North Towns, Grand Island, Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, Cheektowaga, Lancaster 69, Medina 68, 67 over toward Batavia. Upper 60s down here at Wellsville and Olean. Back to the west at Jamestown. You forecast high temp about 68, 69 at Hamburg, Orchard Park, West Seneca, and East Aurora in the South Towns. Closing in on those numbers already at noontime at the airport 65, also up through the falls and down through Dunkirk along the lakeshore there, 63 at Jamestown, a 64-degree reading at Bradford, and also at Wellsville. Sunset time is 7:25 this evening. Here's your forecast details for the rest of this Wednesday afternoon. It's going to be mostly sunny. We will see more clouds develop late in the afternoon, especially in the western counties, and the high temp 65 to 69 degrees for the overnight. Clouds increase and thicken. Rain showers develop overnight, 47 to 50. Those rain showers will wind down from northwest to southeast across the area tomorrow morning. Very cool tomorrow. We'll see some partial clearing across northern areas during the afternoon, and those temperatures even chillier than today, 54 to 59 degrees. We'll wrap up the week with mostly sunny skies after maybe some patchy early morning frost in the deepest valleys. Not a heavy frost and not widespread, but we could be dealing with a little bit of patchy light frost, at least in those very deep valleys. It's going to be cool on Friday, 56 to 61 degrees. Another chance of that frost in the deepest valleys early Saturday with bright sunshine after that, 65 degrees. We'll wrap up the weekend on Sunday with more bright sunshine and a temp of 70. So at least the temperature's rebounding there a little bit toward the tail end of the weekend, but the weekend looks great.